Good morning, students. How are you? I think fine, all of you. All of you fine? Yes and no? Okay. So yesterday we will discuss about exercise 16 of SCR. Yes and no? But today I am going to discuss the workbook, and that is your exercise 14. Yes and no? In the last class, exercise 13 already discussed. Today I am going to discuss about exercise 14. So first of all, there are some table. You look on your workbook. That first number one question is write out sentences from the table. There was a table and some words are there. So using that words, you make sentence from that table. Okay. I play in the evening. First sentence is I play in the evening. Then we do homework in the evening. You buy vegetables on Sunday. Then he works at night. Or he works on Sunday. Right. Then she plays in the evening. She works in the evening. Ramesh works at night. They buy vegetables in the evening. So this is the sentence pattern. Okay. Number one. Then number two also like that. Write out the sentences from the table. Do I play in the evening? सब इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस रेटी अछि तेणु डू लगे करी डू भार लगे करी हमरा वर्ड को देख से वर्ड को लगे कि हम सेंटेंस मेकिंग करिवा ओके डू आई प्ले इन द इवनिंग डू वी वर्क एट नाइट डू यू डू दे buy vegetables in the evening does he play in the morning does she work in Sunday does my sister do homework in the evening एभली भाव में आमर सेंटेंस पैटर्न आम कर देखो गोटे घर देती तो टाइम चल घर कर बुझापी बिकज देयर इज ए लिमिटेड स्टिपुलेटेड टाइम इन आवर हैंड सो इन थ्रू व्हाट्सएप वीडियो इट कैन नॉट पॉसिबल सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू वेरी शॉर्ट chunks method yes or no then number 3 sentence pattern practice sentence pattern practice of sentence pattern simple present I write I do not write do I write I write I do not write I do not write then do I write positive negative and interrogative three types of sentences are there I write the positive sentence I do not write the negative sentence do I write the interrogative sentence yes or no like this we write we do not write do we write you do not write do you write she or he writes he doesn't write does he write or she writes she doesn't write does she write okay they write they do not write do they write एभली भाव में 3 नंबर सेंटेंस पैटर्न थिला एटा को घर अभ्यास करिवो ओके देन नंबर 4 translate into English translate into English first number A is प्रतिदिन आमे खेलु प्रतिदिन आमे खेलु then what will get translate Answer. Can you do it or not? Look at the careful. Look at the blackboard careful. प्रतिदिन आमे खेलू. Look. ताले प्रतिदिन every day आमे खेलू. We play. We play every day. प्रतिदिन आमे खेलू. We play every day. Okay. Then number 2. B number. Number B. We play every day. Then तुम्हें प्रतिदिन खेल की. तुम्हें प्रतिदिन खेल की. So this is also interrogative sentence. ताले एटी कौन हो तुम्हें इंग्लिश रे you तुम्हें प्रतिदिन खेल. You play every day. जेतरे खेल की एटी कौन दुबार आगु आसीबो. Do you play every day? तुम्हें प्रतिदिन खेल की. Do you play every day? Okay. Do you play every day? Right? Then आमे प्रतिदिन सकाळे उठू. We get up in the morning every day. We get up early in the morning or in the morning every day. आमे प्रतिदिन सकाळे उठू. प्रतिदिन उपरळी आमे स्कूल रु फेरी आसु. We come back. फेरीवा इंग्लिश रे होची come back. We come back from schools in the afternoon every day. प्रतिदिन संध्या रे आमे हमर घर पढ़ा करू. आमे हमर घर पढ़ा करू. We do our homework. Yes or no? We do our homework in the evening every day. संध्या रे आमे प्रतिदिन हमर घर पाठ आमे करू. Right? Then राती 9 टा रे आमे सोइबा को जाऊ. We go to bed at 9 o'clock at night. We go to bed at 9 o'clock at evening. Sorry, at night. राती 9 टा रे आमे सोइबा को जाऊ. Then रविवार दिन रविवार आमे स्कूल को जाऊ ना. ताले we do not go to school on Sunday. We do not go to school on Sunday. नित्यानंद ता साइकिल रे स्कूल को जाए नहीं. से चाली चाली स्कूल को जाए. नित्यानंद ता साइकिल रे स्कूल को जाए. नित्यानंद does not go to school on his bicycle. ता बाइसाइकल रे on his bicycle. Okay. से चाली 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 की इंग्लिश जीवा होची walk. walk माने चाली चाली जीवा. He walk to school. से चाली चाली विद्यालय को जाए. राइट. देन शिक्षक कौन करती. शिक्षक कौन करती. व्हाट डज ए टीचर. व्हाट डज ए टीचर डू. व्हाट डज ए टीचर डू. शिक्षक कौन करती. से भली भाव रे यदि सेम टाइप रो की क्वेश्चन आसे परीक्षा रे तले आमे करि परिबा. जेमति शिक्षक कौन करती. बापा कौन करती. माँ कौन करती. ये सब प्रश्न जब यही टाइप ट्रांसलेशन आसो आम कर कि नहीं कर तो. तुम्हें कौन श्रेणी रे शुओ ना शुए ना. तुम्हें कौन तुम ट्रांसलेशन कर. डू यू डोज इन क्लास. डोज मीन्स घोड़ेबा शुईजा क्लास रे शोइबा निदेबा. Do you doze in class? No, I don't. माछु माने पानी रे पहरंती. Fish swim in the river. Fishes हुए नहीं. Fish रो बहुवचन बा प्लुरल फॉर्म से fish. Fishes का तले हुए विभिन्न जाति रो जने माछ कथा कुआ हो सेठी fishes आसीबो. किंतु एठी माछु माने पानी रे पहरंती. That means fish swim in the river. Swim in the water. Then पक्षी माने आकाश रे उड़ंती. पक्षी माने birds fly in the sky. Birds fly in the sky. ମୁଁ ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ଅଙ୍କ କରେ ନାହିଁ କ'ଣ ହେବ I do not do maths every day. I don't do maths. do ମାନେ କରିବା math ମାନେ ହେଉଛି ଗଣିତ ମୁଁ ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ଗଣିତ କରେ ନାହିଁ I don't do maths every day. ଗଛ ଆମକୁ ଫଳ ଛାଇ ଓ କାଠ ଦିଏ ଦେବା ଇଂଲିଶରେ give. The tree gives us ଆମକୁ ଦଉଛି gives us. Tree gives us କ'ଣ ଦିଏ fruits ଫଳ ଦିଏ shade ମାନେ ହେଉଛି ଛାଇ ମନେ ରଖ shade remember shade means ଛାଇ shade and wood ମାନେ କାଠ ତାହେଲେ ଗଛ ଆମକୁ ଫଳ ଛାଇ ଓ କାଠ ଦିଏ the tree gives us fruits shade and wood. Okay, this is all about your translation of exercise 14. Then the next class we will go to discuss exercise 15. So today I am going to stop my class here. The next class we will meet through WhatsApp video. Till that, goodbye. Thanks all of you.